Hey Travel Rushers, it's Ron. It's our last day of our trip to Disneyland. We're here at our condo at Worldmark, so I thought I'd give you a real quick tour before we leave. It's a 3-bedroom condo. It's got 2 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, twins in one room, a queen in the other, and a king-size bed in the master. The place is massive and it's really nice. So I'm going to have you follow me around and we'll look at everything. Okay, since we're here in the living room and kitchen area, we'll take a quick look at that. So obviously it has a full kitchen, dishwasher, there you go, stove, all the amenities, really big, got a table, seats 6. There's also a little bar area there where you can seat a couple more people. Okay, so now over to the living room. Got some nice artwork, plenty of seating, big screen TV, stereo. Got a nice balcony out this way. If you look just past that big Viv hotel over there, you can actually see parts of Disneyland in the middle of the night. Very nice view. Okay, let's head down the hallway. First to our right, we're going to have the main bathroom. This one here, fairly nice. Shower, sink. There's also a laundry area right in here. Washer and dryer. Hi everyone. And then we're going to walk out here and go to the first bedroom. And this is the one with the 2 twins in it. And there's a little closet off to the right here behind the door. And then over to the next bedroom. This is the one with the queen in it. Very nice. Nice closet. Big screen TV. And then over here we're gonna go, this is the master. Got a big old closet in here. Extra blankets. Your TV. And the bed, a little messed up. We did sleep in it last night. And then into the master bedroom bathroom. And that's pretty much it. Got a closet out here, like a coat closet. And a big mirror for checking yourself as you go out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour.
Hey everybody, just a few more thoughts on Ron's room tour. I wanted to let you know the condo does sleep 8 people, and you could sleep 8 here very comfortably. The sofa does turn out into a sleeper, so in excess of the rooms you have, you can also put somebody on the sleeper sofa. Lots of plugins for you to charge your electronics. Each nightstand has a USB built into it. There's actually 2 in each nightstand. There's a USB in the kitchen as well. There's USBs in the bathroom. So you've got plenty of places to plug your electronics. We have tons of electronics and we had no problem finding a place to plug them in. The room is incredibly comfortable, you guys. It is a perfect place for a family to come and stay. In the showers, they do provide you with some shampoo and some other amenities. Your towels are all provided. Everything here is provided for you. In the kitchen, there's plenty of dishes. So if you want to cook a full course meal, you can do that here. All your pots and pans are included. All your dishes are included. Your cups, your silverware, everything. It is an incredibly comfortable place to stay. Huge families could stay here and your kids would love it because they've got a lot of room to run and play here inside the condo. You do not have to be a Worldmark owner to stay here.
Yeah.
You can book this resort online. There's lots of ways to do that. Just go on to Google and search Worldmark Resorts and it'll tell you how to rent. Hey, travel rushers, welcome to Travel Rush with Ron and Deb and to our living room. Ron and I noted that when we were editing the footage for the Worldmark Anaheim property tour that we did, we forgot to do a closing. So I want to do that with you right now and give you a little more information on this property. But before I do that, I want to remind you all to like, subscribe, and share. We're getting real close to that 500 subscriber rate, and that really helps us to build some more content in this channel. Our channel's all about travel and all the things related to travel. So if you kind of like that content, please go over and take a look at some of the rest of our videos. I think you'll find them enjoyable. But let's talk about Anaheim, this property in general. It's about a 10-minute walk from Disneyland's front gate, which makes it very convenient, especially if you've got family members that want to stay in a nice resort away from that Disneyland bubble. This is one of 2 properties in Anaheim that's owned by Worldmark. Like I said earlier, we are owners of Worldmark Timeshare, so we used our points for this property and we didn't have to pay any cash. That doesn't mean you can't stay here. I looked on the website, it's about $185 a night for a standard room. That's pretty affordable when you think about it and some of the costs of the hotels around the area. So give it some thought. It's a nice property. It's one of 2. This one is more resort hotel style. The other property here in Anaheim by Worldmark is more apartment style. We prefer this type of an environment. It's more modern, it's more up to date, it's got that more resort feel, but that doesn't say that you won't like the other property as well. And I have to think the rates on that property is probably a little bit lower. It's further away from Disneyland. You'd probably need a car or rely on ride share to get back and forth. Where this one, you can just simply walk. There's no restaurant in this property, as Ron showed you earlier, but there are several restaurants around in the neighborhood because you are so close to Disneyland. It also has that full kitchen, so if you've got a large family with you, it's easy just to prepare your snacks, keep some things in the fridge, do a light breakfast before you go into the park, etc. So with that, travel rushers, we hope you enjoyed this video on Worldmark Anaheim. Please stick around for the rest of our videos. We have one more in this series. I invite you again to go over and subscribe to the channel. And until then, rushers, enjoy the rush of travel.